Have you ever looked up at the full moon and wondered what secrets it holds? Tonight, July 12, 2025, we witness the buck moon, a full moon steeped in mystery and ancient lore. The buck moon isn't just a celestial event, it's a bridge between old myths and new discoveries. Its name hints at nature's rhythms, but the stories go deeper. Ancient civilizations saw this midsummer moon as a powerful symbol, influencing harvests and destinies. Some believed hidden knowledge could only be unlocked under its light. Are these just stories or echoes of a time when we were more attuned to the cosmos? Let's become lunar detectives, piecing together clues from Native American legends, Egyptian temples, and modern science. The buck moon invites us to explore not just astronomy, but our own history and place in the universe. As we begin, think about what the moon means to you: a light, a scientific wonder, or a source of inspiration. The buck moon connects facts with imagination, science with myth. Get ready, our journey into the secrets of July's full moon starts now. Let's see what mysteries await us above. Why buck moon? The Algonquin tribes named it for the bucks whose antlers grow rapidly in July, a natural calendar in the sky. Astronomically, it's simply July's full moon, when Earth sits between the sun and moon, illuminating the lunar surface. Other cultures called it the thunder moon, marking summer storms. This year, the buck moon rises soon after the summer solstice, hanging low and often glowing golden or red due to atmospheric scattering. No special equipment is needed to enjoy it. Just look up as it rises for the best view when it appears largest on the horizon. The moon illusion makes it seem even bigger, a trick of our eyes. Whether you're using binoculars or just your eyes, it's a chance to connect with the cosmos. The buck moon reminds us that the universe's rhythms are always above us, waiting to be noticed. It's a living link between nature, science, and tradition. Step outside and experience it for yourself. For Native American tribes, the moon was a guide and a sacred storyteller. The buck moon marked abundance, ripening berries, tall crops, and community gatherings. Elders taught how the moon's phases guided planting, hunting, and ceremony. The moon was seen as a grandmother spirit, a symbol of balance and harmony. In ancient Egypt, the moon was honored through gods like Thoth and Khonsu, linked to wisdom, time, and healing. The lunar calendar shaped religious festivals and rituals. Temples were aligned with celestial events, and the full moon's light was sacred. For both cultures, the moon represented cycles of growth, order, and renewal. Its presence was a constant reminder of our connection to the cosmos. In Europe, July's full moon was called the mead moon or hay moon, marking harvests and summer celebrations. Midsummer was a magical time. Herbs gathered under the full moon were thought to have special powers. Rituals for love, luck, and protection filled the night, with bonfires mirroring the moon's glow. Folklore warned of werewolves and wild behavior, reflecting beliefs in the moon's power over human nature. As Christianity spread, old traditions blended with new holidays, but the moon's influence endured. The hay moon remained a marker for harvest and a symbol of the season's magic. These stories show how the moon's rhythm is woven into our cultural memory. The full moon was both practical and mystical, a time for work, celebration, and wonder. Even today, its light stirs something ancient within us. The buck moon is a living echo of these traditions. Around the world, the full moon inspires unique traditions. In India, Guru Purnima honors spiritual teachers, with the moon symbolizing enlightenment and clarity. In China, the moon is central to legends like Chang'e and the Jade Rabbit, and the full moon means family reunion and harmony. The Mid-Autumn Festival celebrates these themes, even if it falls later in the year. Ancient Greece saw the moon as both Selene, the gentle goddess in her silver chariot, and Artemis, the wild huntress. These deities reflected the moon's dual nature, gentle and fierce, romantic and wild. Across cultures, the moon is a canvas for our hopes, values, and stories. Its light unites us in celebration, reflection, and myth. The buck moon is part of this global tapestry. Every culture finds its own meaning in the moon's glow. The moon's mystery shifted from myth to science in the 20th century. The Apollo missions turned the moon from a distant symbol into a place we could visit. Moon rocks revealed its violent origins and unique geology. Today, NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon, this time to stay. The lunar South Pole, with its water ice, could support future explorers and missions to Mars. Robotic landers and orbiters are mapping the moon in detail right now. The buck moon reminds us that exploration is ongoing, blending ancient wonder with modern ambition. The moon is now a scientific outpost and a launch pad for our next great adventures. Our oldest stories inspire the missions of tomorrow. The buck moon's journey links myth and science, showing their two ways of understanding our universe. Names like buck moon and hay moon reflect our ancestors' deep connection to nature's cycles. Today, we use telescopes and probes, but our curiosity remains the same. The Artemis program is the next chapter in our lunar story. The buck moon bridges ancient tales and modern discovery. We can marvel at its golden glow and tell stories of Chang's or Artemis in the same night. Science and myth enrich each other, deepening our connection to the moon. As you gaze at the buck moon, reflect on its meaning for you: tradition, science, or inspiration. The moon is our shared heritage and future. What story will you tell under its light? If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Share it with your friends who might find it interesting, and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Copyright 2025 Mallory Hope Carrington, trademark, all rights reserved.